Hey everyone, have you ever been out with friends, maybe grabbing dinner or catching a movie, and realized you forgot your wallet? Or maybe you're splitting the cost of a trip with your travel buddies and need an easy way to settle up? Well, if you're like millions of others, Venmo might be your go-to solution. But have you ever wondered how exactly to send money to someone using this popular app? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Venmo, breaking down the simple steps to send money to friends, family, and even businesses. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to choosing payment methods and ensuring your transactions are secure. So, grab your phone and let's get started. Setting up your Venmo account, if necessary. Now, before we jump into sending money, let's quickly touch base on setting up your Venmo account. If you're new to the app, don't worry, it's incredibly user-friendly. Download the app, head to your phone's app store and download the Venmo app. Sign up, create an account using your phone number or email address. Link your bank account or card, this is crucial for sending and receiving money. Add a profile picture, optional, this makes it easier for your friends to recognize you. Sending money with Venmo, a step-by-step guide. Alright, let's get to the heart of the matter, how to send money with Venmo. Open the Venmo app, log into your account. Tap the Pay button, you will usually find this at the bottom of the screen. Search for the recipient, you can search by their phone number, email address, or username. If they're already in your contacts, you can easily select them from there. Enter the amount, type in the amount you want to send. Add a note, optional, this could be anything from "for dinner" to "thanks for covering me." Choose your payment method, you can typically choose between your bank account or a linked card. Review and send, double-check the details, including the recipient, amount, and payment method. Once you're satisfied, tap Pay. Important notes on sending money. Payment methods. Bank account, usually free and takes 1 to 3 business days to arrive. Debit or credit card may incur a small fee depending on the card. Funds are typically available instantly. Instant transfers, Venmo offers an instant transfer option, but it usually comes with a small fee. Requesting money, if you need someone to pay you back, you can easily request money through the app. Now, let's talk about keeping your Venmo account secure. Strong password, use a unique, strong password for your Venmo account. Enable two-factor authentication, this adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone to log in. Review your activity, regularly check your transaction history for any suspicious activity. Be mindful of who you send money to, only send money to people you know and trust. Report any suspicious activity, if you notice anything unusual, report it to Venmo immediately. Did you know that Venmo can also be used for business transactions? Many small businesses and freelancers accept payments through Venmo. Business accounts, Venmo offers business accounts with features like invoicing and analytics. Accepting payments, you can easily share your Venmo username with customers to receive payments. Note, be sure to check Venmo's terms of service for business use. Let's address some common issues you might encounter while using Venmo. Payment declined. This could be due to insufficient funds, incorrect account information, or security restrictions. Money not received. If the recipient hasn't received the funds, double-check the transaction details and contact Venmo support. Account locked. If your account is locked, you'll need to verify your identity to unlock it. Venmo offers more than just basic money transfers. Let's explore some of its other features. Splitting bills, easily split bills with friends and family. Group payments, create group payments for events like trips or parties. Venmo card, the Venmo card allows you to spend your Venmo balance anywhere Visa is accepted. Tips for a smooth Venmo experience. Keep your account information updated, ensure your bank account and card information are accurate. Communicate with recipients. If you're having trouble sending or receiving money, communicate with the other person. Review Venmo's fee schedule. Familiarize yourself with any fees associated with transactions. Sending money with Venmo is a quick, easy, and convenient way to transfer funds between friends, family, and even businesses. By following the steps outlined in this video and practicing safe usage habits, you can confidently use Venmo for your everyday financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.